How to earn the Bobcat patch. If you are a parent who wants your son to earn his Cub Scout Bobcat patch but don't have the appropriate handbook, here are the 8 required steps in achieving the rank of Bobcat. You will need a copy of the Youth Protection Manual. Steps. 1. Know the law of the pack. The Cub Scout follows Akela. The Cub Scout helps the pack go. The pack helps the Cub Scout grow. The Cub Scout gives goodwill. 2. Know the Cub Scout motto. Do your best. 3. Do the Cub Scout sign. Raise your right hand so that your upper arm is parallel to the ground. Extend the index and middle fingers, touching each other, holding down the other fingers with your thumb. 4. Do the Cub Scout salute. With your right hand making the Cub Scout sign, touch your index fingertip to your right eyebrow, or the bill of your cap if you're wearing one. Keep your right elbow high as you make the salute. 5. Know what WeBeLoS means. Well, be loyal, Scouts. 6. Know the Cub Scout Promise. I, your name here, promise to do my best, to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people, and to obey the law of the pack. 7. Do the Cub Scout Handshake. While forming the Cub Scout sign with your right hand, remove your thumb from your 4th and 5th fingers, then extend your hand and shake the hand of another Cub Scout. 8. Complete the exercises in the Youth Protection Manual. Tips. Your den leader will test you, so learn these movements well. Your parents can help you. Use your right hand when you do the Cub Scout sign, handshake, and salute. Warnings. The Youth Protection Manual is no joke. It is intended to help prevent child abuse or abduction.